This is a quick guide on how to buy shares of Bar Harbor Bankshares and the steps you need to follow. Bar Harbor Bankshares is a regional bank offering retail and commercial banking services, and its stock trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker BHB. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you will need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before placing any trades. Use the platform search bar to look up the company by name or ticker. Type BHB and select the listing that matches Bar Harbor Bankshares to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ ticker to ensure you have the correct asset. Select Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set for the next session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the purchase. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro with more details is provided in the description below.